After 4 years of hibernation, the terrorist sleeper cell of the Maute in Lanao del Sur has awoken, and the AFP did not waste time to hit them hard. A joint AFP and PNP force struck the Dawlah Islamiyah group in the wee hours this morning, beginning with a salvo of 10 bombs dropped from above against the terrorist group. And a ground and combined force of cops and soldiers are hot on their tail, according to the Western Mindanao Command, who refused to provide any more details. The body count has 2 slain on the terrorist side, with 1 corresponding casualty from the military and another 3 injured. The AFP assured the community and others of full control of the status quo and are on tight watch against any terrorist groups wishing to sow confusion and chaos.